Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to fold the rear seats on a 2008 Dodge Charger. This works from 2006 all the way up to 2010, and this is the 6th generation of Dodge Charger. Most of the other vehicles have a knob to pull in the trunk area, but the Charger has one always hidden right here between the seat and this side cushion. So if you put your hand inside here, you'll find this guy to pull. Then just pull it down, that's it. And most of my customers actually always ask me how to pull the seats down, because they don't see this thingy. So that's why I decided to make this video. If some of you are also having the same problem, I will show you on the other side as well. It's pretty much the same thing. So it's between the side cushion and the seat itself. Just squeeze your hand inside and you're gonna find it, and just pull it towards yourself, and that's it. The seat goes down. To put it back, just push it in. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel.